Hello student, today I have brought a video on the topic construction and working of electric motor. Last video we discussed about the introduction of electric motor and the types of electric motor and some parts of electric motor. In this video we discuss about the function of the parts of electric motor and working of electric motor. First, you revive our concept. What is the principle of electric motor? An electric motor works on the principle that when a rectangular coil is placed in a magnetic field and a current passes through it, a force acts on the coil which rotates it continuously. And this rotation is used due to the force experienced by the rectangular coil placed inside the magnetic field. And the continuous force experienced by the rectangular coils makes a torque, and that makes the rotation of the shaft of the electric motor. Here, these are the components of the electric motor, DC motor: armature, rotors, commutators, brushes, axle, magnetic field, permanent magnetic field, DC power supply. These are the main component of the electric motor. I am going to describe the function and the figure of this component. Now, here the field winding of a DC motor. The field is a stationary part of a DC motor. A field is usually constructed out of magnetic poles. In the example above, the copper coil is spinning on its own axis between the two magnets. The two magnets produce a magnetic field in which the conductor, the armature, must move to produce an electric charge. The function of the field system is to produce the uniform magnetic field within which the armature rotates. Here the magnetic field produced by the magnet installed in the DC motor. Next is armature. Armature is the main part in which is mounted on the shaft and the various tubes of copper wire, insulated copper wire, and it is the rotating device of the electric motor. The armature is the moving part of DC motor. It moves in the field to complete the DC machine's electromechanical synergy conversions. In the above example, the copper coil is the armature spinning in the magnetic field, which is spinning in the magnetic field. Armature winding of the DC motor. Next component is very important commutator or splitting. This is attached with the rectangular coil and shaft. Inner side is made of the some insulating materials and mounted with the shaft of the rotating shaft of the electric motor. Outer side is touched by carbon brushes that connect to the coil and supply the electric current. Upper side is conducting materials and inner side is insulating material of the commutator, and the function of the commutator is given in the next slide. Here action of the commutator. A split ring commutator is device for reversing the direction of current in every half turn. The commutative a commutator is attached with the shaft and rotating with the shaft. When this part touches the carbon brushes which supply the current, this part that the coil is attached, the flow the direction in the direction of the electric current, and the second, this part touches this part that flow the direction of the current in the coil. Now, if after the turning of 180 degree of rotation, the second half part of the split ring touches the first brushes, and the first half part of the split ring touches the second brushes. In this way, the direction of current is changed due to the motion of the split ring. Here the full diagram of the electric motor here given. Electric current supplied externally through the commutator. Commutator supply the electric current, and the current is passes through the terminal of battery and touches the carbon brush, and split ring supply the electric current in this coil, in the rectangular coil here, in this direction, and the magnetic force is in this direction, and here the direction of current is in the direction. Now, on applying the left hand Fleming rules, if the direction of current is like that, either from north to south pole, and the direction of current in this direction, from this point to this point, A point to B point, now the force is experienced by this end of the coil in upward direction of force. Now, in this segment of the coil, the direction of the current is reversed, and now the force exerted by this end of the conductor of the coil is downward direction. These two pair of forces makes a torque that make the rotation of the shaft of the electric motor. Here given here, the commutator reverse the current each half revolution to keep the torque turning the coil in the same direction. The direction of the turning of the coil keeps in same direction due to the commutator. The commutator alternately supply the current in same direction, and when this comes in this after rotation, in this direction of current is in this direction, and when this is come in the direction, then current is flowing in opposite direction. Now the force experienced by this end, whenever this end placed by the turning it upward direction, and this end is experience force in downward direction. When electric current pass through a coil in a magnetic field, the magnetic force produce a torque which turns the DC motor. It turns the shaft of the DC motor. Now, a clear diagram also given in the next slide. You can see here. It is a clear diagram for a DC motor. Here the split ring and yellow color is carbon brushes which continuously touches with the split ring. Now, split ring attached with the shaft, and the current is flowing in this direction. Now, it is given direction current in this direction and direction of current at this in this direction. Now, in the direction current is a mechanical force is experienced by this end in upward direction, and mechanical force is experienced by this end in downward direction. That make a torque and touch the coil. We give a function, detailed function of the electric motor here. When the armature is placed in a magnetic field generated by the magnets or magnetic winding, in the armature is rotated by using the direction of current, it results in the generating a mechanical force according to the above statement that is given above. Here the magnetic current is passing in this direction, force is exerted in upward direction and in downward direction, and this make a torque and make the rotation of the coil. And here the basic components of the electric motor: rotor, the commutator, magnet, and a stator, case, and winding coil. These are the front view of the electric motor is like that. It is the front view. It is shaft here and it is rotated. In the case of the either two is that fixed magnet that produce a magnetic field. Next we visualize the electric motor like that. Here we can see how the electric motor move, and here touches the brushes. Brushes is stationary but touches the split ring, and when it touches the split ring changes the direction of current in each turns of the coil that is given here. That experience a force and makes a pair of force opposite direction that make a torque, and the torque is combined and make the rotation of the shaft that is given. Okay, thank you. I hope that you understand the function of various component and the working of the electric